Did you know that Roman gladiators were actually treated better than most people think? These fighters weren't just thrown into the arena to die. They were valuable investments worth protecting. Gladiator schools were like ancient sports academies. The owners, called lanistas, spent huge amounts of money training their fighters. Each gladiator could cost as much as a luxury villa. Losing one meant losing a fortune. The food was surprisingly good. Gladiators ate barley, beans, and dried fruit to build muscle. They even had their own doctors who knew how to treat sword wounds and broken bones. Some gladiators became so famous that women would pay fortunes just to meet them. Most fights didn't end in death either. A skilled gladiator was too expensive to waste. When a fighter was defeated, the crowd would often spare their life by giving a thumbs up. The really successful ones could earn enough money to buy their freedom and retire wealthy. So next time you think of gladiators, remember they weren't just slaves fighting to survive. They were the professional athletes of ancient Rome.